I love motorcycles, and I love filming motorcycles, even though I don't know much about filmmaking in the traditional sense. I love to create my next video, plan ideas, and think about what upgrade I want next for my bikes. Right here is where my Road Glide usually sits. The Road Glide is currently over at White Lightning Harley Davidson right now, getting Legend shocks front and rear. A nice customization job that we're working on, but that's going to be a video for another time. Let's check out something over here on the Lowrider ST. Okay. Well, for the most part, I think I've got this Lowrider ST almost exactly where I want it, with the exception of these bronze wheels. Nothing wrong with them, but I think having these things chromed out would be a super nice touch. What do you guys think? One of the last upgrades that I really want to do to this bike before I'm just going to leave it alone and just ride the crap out of it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I know little to nothing about the mechanics of a motorcycle, and to be honest with you, I don't really want to. I enjoy the riding part of the hobby, but I do see where great satisfaction can come from being able to repair your own motorcycle. Hobbies should be fun, or else why do them in the first place? Here's 3 basic reasons why motorcycles are a fantastic hobby for me. The first reason, bikes are just cool. This is my 2022 Lowrider ST. I bought this motorcycle from White Lightning Harley Davidson in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I wanted this bike as soon as I saw the release video from Harley Davidson, and I went with Vivid Black because I thought it looked rugged and badass. This bike is loud and fast, and she always acts like she's pissed off. I mean, just listen to this thing. I bought this cheap Bluetooth phone connector from Amazon for around 20 bucks. Works great for me, allows me to listen to my tunes while I'm riding. Pops off the handlebars, super quick, easy to charge. If you're interested, let me know down in the comments, and I'm happy to share that link with you. While it might look like a bagger, it most certainly isn't. Harley Davidson marketed this toward the sport tourer, but I've learned if you want to carry much gear at all, you're going to need some luggage or a tour pack, something like this one. Advent Black sent me this one about a year ago, and for the purpose I use it for, it works great. If you're new to motorcycles and you're looking for your first Harley Davidson, I would say start with a Softail. No, I wouldn't start with a bagger. The Softail is just outstanding. Solid, sturdy, easy to handle, and on the new models, they're fast enough. So when things go wrong with my bikes, what do? This brings me to the second reason why motorcycles are a fun hobby: my local Harley Davidson dealership. If you've watched my channel for more than 2 seconds, you know I love White Lightning Harley Davidson. I love getting on my bike and riding to the dealership. I love seeing the bikes parked outside when I arrive at the dealership. I love that most people know me by first name there. And I love seeing all the new bikes that are right up front that cause me to salivate as soon as I step into place. And the third reason why motorcycles is such a great hobby is I love making videos about motorcycles. In the same way that a photographer loves to collect pictures of photos they've taken, I too like to collect what I create. Just happens to be videos. I really do love the editing process. Not near as much as writing, but certainly more than filming. And I try to keep my SD cards and my files in some type of structure that I'll recognize. And I most certainly get butterflies every single time I hit that upload button and schedule a new video for release. Now, I really do need to add one more reason to the list, and it's probably the most important. If your hobby allowed you to do this, Wouldn't you keep doing it? You guys ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.